Here's your no stakes quiz. You can do it on a scrap piece of paper or in the back of your lab book. When there's triangles, just sketch them on the paper and go from there. So question 1, I've got a triangle here, and which of the three equations is correct for this triangle? So if you need any more time, just pause the video now. I'll go on to question 2. There's a car. I let it go and it speeds up down the hill towards the origin. Describe the acceleration of that cart. So if you need any more time, pause the video. You might want to do a sketch or something. Going on to the next question. Question 3. For the following equation, x equals vi times t plus half at squared. Remember, vi means initial velocity. If the initial velocity is 0, what can that equation be simplified to? So if you need more time, pause the video. Go on to question 4. And this one, make x the subject. In fact, just pause the video now, go through that rearranging, and then start the video and I'll go over the answers. Okay, the answers. The first one, of course, we've got a triangle, 30 degrees here. 1.5 is the opposite. 3 meters is the hypotenuse. Let me just connect this guy up. This is the hypotenuse. This is the opposite. This is the adjacent. So I've got the opposite and hypotenuse. So I always have to write down, because I'm not very good at remembering. I just write all of this down and then I choose. What have I got? I've got opposite, hypotenuse, SOA. I need to do sine opposite over hypotenuse. Sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, which is this one here, the first one. The cart speeds up down the hill. The easiest way that I can do this is with a motion map. I draw my velocity arrows in, and then my accelerations between them. Acceleration is definitely this way. You can see the positive direction is away from the origin in this direction. My acceleration is going in this direction. So my acceleration is negative. Negative, that's how you write it, the negative and then the VE. And it's also the same size every time because we've done this experiment already. So it's the same size, it's uniform. So it's negative and uniform. This guy here, if this is 0, then I've got 0 times t, and that equals 0. So this whole thing is 0, it disappears, and you've just got what's left over, x equals half at squared. So the 3 pointer down there. Last one will make 3 points as well. I want to make x a subject, so I'm going to get rid of this guy first, and I'm going to do that by minusing vi squared from both sides. So then I'm left with vf squared minus vi squared equals 2ax. And then I want to get rid of 2a by dividing 2a. So I'm left with vf squared minus vi squared all over 2a equals x. 3 marks there. Great, well done.